Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer XDC from Uphold to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto like Zinfin's XDC network, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between platforms. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, keeping things simple and straightforward. First off, a quick reminder. Crypto transfers can involve fees and risks, so always double-check everything, especially with potential updates in 2025 that might affect wallet integrations or security protocols. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Make sure you have your XDC tokens ready to go. Uphold is a popular platform for holding various cryptos, but transferring out is easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your XDC wallet. You'll see an option to withdraw or send funds. Click that. Step 2. Enter the destination address. For Robinhood, you'll need to get your Robinhood crypto wallet address. Head over to your Robinhood app or website, go to the crypto section, and select Deposit or Add Funds. Robinhood might have updated their interface by 2025, so look for any new verification steps, like two-factor authentication, to keep things secure. Step 3. Specify the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, be aware of any network fees. XDC typically uses the XDC network, so choose that as your transfer network to keep costs low. Once you've confirmed the details on Uphold, hit Send. Now, switch back to Robinhood and monitor your account. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer. A few tips before we wrap up. Always use the correct network. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. In 2025, regulations might have changed, so verify that both Uphold and Robinhood support XDC transfers. And remember, never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Uphold to Robinhood. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.